always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be on this everyday look right here. This is simple, it's not too over the top. This is of course the look that I usually go for when I'm going to work, because it really does not take that long, and it's simple and it looks very au naturel. Of course, you know, adding on the lipstick, but it is very simple and not too over the top. So if you guys want to see more of this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you guys in my next video. Bye! So I'm starting off by using the Origin Matte Moisturizer, this one right here. Excuse my nails, guys. I put on a nail polish, which damaged my fingernails, and now it's all yellow, so I'm taking a break from putting any nail polishes on. Next, I'm going to be using the Benefit Professional Pore Primer. That's this tiny one right here. So be adding a little bit of the Mario Badescu spray. This one is the one with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Starting off with my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 430. Alright, so next for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 10. I'm going to go ahead and start off by dabbing this brush in. I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. So next, I'm going to set my concealer using the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the color Banana. I'm not going to let that sit for too long, especially under my eyes. So next, to contour, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the color Ebony. Because I want this look to be more of a simple, natural, everyday look, I want to put as little makeup as possible on my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of a liner on my eyes. Next, I'm going to add some eyeliner to my waterline. My mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This has been honestly the best one that I have ever used by far. It just adds so much volume to my lashes, and you don't even need to wear false lashes either, unless you want a more dramatic look, which I've been just using this one this week without having to add any lashes on. After one layer, I haven't even added a second layer. So next, I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer to the inner tear duct. I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter, but not too much though. Keep this look as flawless and simple as possible. Using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold. How pretty. So next, I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper. My lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Berlin. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually have another video coming up right after this one, so don't miss it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!